Hello everybody, welcome back to another video here at Rule 1 Model Railways. Today we're doing something slightly different. The reason is I got some new recording equipment there. So I've always had the DJI Osmo Pocket and the Rode Video microphone. This item here, the T-junction piece here, is new and I didn't have it plugged in correctly, so the last video we made didn't record any sound. So we're going to do this slightly different, as I say. I am going to give you a running commentary instead. So without further ado, I'm going to bring on the video and we're going to give you that commentary. So today I was doing the foam contour for the scenery, as you can see there. That's looking great. So we cut it out from the foam board there, the insulation board. Fast forward that a little bit so you can see. Oh, there's my intro. So I was using that knife there. That's a knife specifically for cutting foam. You can get that from any DIY store, B&Q, Homebase, they all do them. Great thing to have. So that's going to do all of my cutting today. As you can see there, we're contouring. See my mouse cursor there, all along here. With that knife. Really sharp, really serrated. Exactly what you need for cutting foam of this nature. Go as I get on with that. You can see there we're cutting the top off, we're levelling it off first so it's the same height as the bridge. There you go, it's like cutting a cake almost. So the trick to it was, I found, was to take off little bits at a time and work with what you got there. Just lifts off real easy. And of course our friend the Hoover, this is a really messy job. I thought doing the plaster, the polyfiller, sorry, on the platforms was a really messy job, and I did get that everywhere. This is on another level. There we are. So that's it, roughly in shape, roughly where you want it to go, and then I have to work on the contour and cut it down to size the way I want it to look scenically. I did have two ideas. I was either going to have along here, I was going to have a retaining wall, but I thought the whole thing all the way around would be retaining wall, so I didn't go with that idea. I am, as you see, as I was showing you there, going to have that slope down. Start taking the first bit off, so give it a nice slope all the way down, and we'll work around the block there, taking more bits off, small sections at a time. So we're now starting to take off the actual parts we want for the scenery, for it to look right. You'll have to forgive me, I have no idea what I was on about talking wise on the video there, so getting the best commentary I can remember. A little bit at a time, little piece by piece is coming off. Just doing it by eye. I went into this with no plan and just see what it looked like as I went along. It really is the only way. So have a really basic plan. You want it to be contoured one way, so slopes down that way, and then slopes down this way. Other than that, just to cut it and see. So now we have the whole contour done, almost. We're cutting along the inside to line it up with the track now. So the reason for that is we're going to be using the plaster bandage, like the Mod Rock stuff. So I need to leave a gap at the bottom so that I have space to blend it in before it reaches the ballast. The edges. Hoover away very frequently at this point. It's really important you do that. The reason is it hides the progress that you've made. You can't really see what you cut till you got rid of that. So you can see there, it made it difficult to see what I'd done until I moved it away. Now we've cut along the edges there. Exactly what I'm doing actually, is to re-contour some of that so it's not such a sharp drop at the edge. Okay, and I'm working through that now, doing exactly that. So it comes to a point at the bottom. Do that along the entire length of the foam board. There we go. I think I might have to do a bit more there. Oh no. Oh no, it looks different from above. There you go, it is all flat. It's going to need weighing down when we glue it, as you can see. I've left this rough on top. The reason being is I can paint that, the face of that, and it will look like rock if I painted the right shade of grey, or a couple of shades of grey. Used an absolute ton of glue, the more the merrier on this, because it needs to absorb into the foam and into the wood. That'll give it a really good, hard, firm fixing. Some eagle eyes may have noticed I've gone over the baseboard joint. There's nothing to worry about at this time. Once I have the plaster on top, I'll then cut that, probably with the Dremel to be fair. And that way it'll be nice and a perfect cut there. It won't all fly everywhere at me. Now luckily I buy everything in 5 litre drums or in bulk. We have lots of things to weigh things down. As you can see there, it just popped up. So it is very important that you weigh it down thoroughly. It's come right up now. There you are. That's that all laid. So we're going to plaster bandage all of this, paint it a shade of brown, a greyish brown, and then we are going to lay the first scatter scenics on top of that, so the grass is different shades of green. And that's really it on that one. So that's what I wanted to show you originally. I will move on to part 2 of this video next time. Once it's dried, I will then show you the rest of the process for that one. So remove that one now. There's a new feature on some of my videos. As you noticed on the last one, it actually went down quite well. People enjoyed it. I'm recommending channels now. So the first channel I want to recommend is Chris Hale's Heritage Railway. This guy, Chris, he's brilliant. All of these ones, Chris's chat, Chris's chat, Chris's chat, Chris's chat, Chris's chat, all the way through there. They are all live streams. He pretty much live streams every single day. So, it's a great place. We'll open up one of his videos. It's an absolutely great place to be social.
Dave.
And you get some really good conversations going in them. And it's great that they're really regular as well. Sometimes he has 2 a day. I'll just fast forward it on. You can see there the chat there. Great for Q&A. He's doing a Q&A actually soon. So make sure you pop in for that. And he always leaves a background video so we can talk about that whilst we're all chatting as well. Now the second channel I want to show you is Fanduel Engage Model Railway. Now this one is a seriously underrated channel with not enough subscribers for what they do. So I'm going to open this one here, this video. As you can see there, the detail on this layout is exquisite. It's really, really good. This is his new purchase, his HST set there that he purchased from TMC, the Model Centre, pre-weathered. And I want to show you the viaduct he has on his layout. It's absolutely amazing. This is something we should all aspire to as modelers. Look at the detail on that. Videos as well are really, really good. They're really well produced, far better than my own, and he's very good at presenting as well. So this is a channel that's going to go fast, so get your sub in early. I'll leave a link in the description below for those 2 channels, just down below there, and just let them know Rule 1 Model Railway sent you, and I'm sure they'll really, really appreciate that. That's pretty much it for this video. So if you've enjoyed this one, do hit the like button. If you haven't already, subscribe. I really do appreciate it when you subscribe, as it really helps me get along with making more videos. Other than that, thank you very much for watching, and take care now. Goodbye.